Alright, this is a quick video. I was out here cutting some wood and I have this is upside down, but it's a Mastercraft 12-inch dual level sliding compound miter saw. Anyways, one cut started to slow down and then it just seized on me. So I was wondering, is there an internal brake? What's going on? I've dug in this far, not too bad to get in there. So I took the, the handles come off. There's the armature, there's the coil. What ended up happening was this cooling fin here. This was C solid. And if you see this black, it melted to this housing. So this rubs against this. Maybe it's not supposed to, but mine was. Anyways, if you ever have a problem with this saw, this was in like that. This was C solid, so this was melted to that. So there you go, quick and dirty. This is why your 12-inch Mastercraft saw may seize on you.